Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Z60S Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll Then let's scroll and find this phone ringtone section. Let's tap on it, and here we can choose for which SIM card we want to set it. You can choose the first or the second one, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the ringtone from. So here we've got, let's say, highlighted options, so we can tap on them and listen to them, and if we like them, simply tap on apply. However, you can simply tap on all ringtones and then you will be transferred to this list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. Here we've got the option none, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call, and we can enter the music. So basically here we've got our own files. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to decide whether you like it or not. And let's pretend I want to set this marimba C minor as my phone ringtone, so just mark it and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, and after getting back you can see it also here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.